6 voters from a single family previously affiliated with the Tipra Motha party joined the BJP at a court-yard meeting organized by the BJP Golagati Mandal. This event took place in the Pathaliagat Waringbari village, which falls under the 17 Golagati Assembly constituency. The new voters were formally welcomed by State BJP General Secretary Bipin Debarma. The shift highlights a continued rift within the Tipra Motha party ahead of the upcoming ADC village committee elections. The newcomers, including the senior leader of the family, were formally welcomed into the BJP by presenting them with the party flag by Bipin Debarma, BJP Tripura State General Secretary, Rajesh Debarma, BJP Sipai Jala North District General Secretary, Narayan Devnath, Golagati BJP Mandal President and other local leaders.
Golagati Bidhan Sabha Bisingo, the Pathalia ADC village, or Pathalia ADC village, Sini Asa Utan Sabha, Tipra Motha, senior ni boytep jebini porichori mane Tipra Motha ni khoraksa bo senior leader tini Bharatiya Janata Party o prai bini poribar ni soibuta tini bo BJP o joining khaika to sungbono khabai khubai lamsogo ebong bini naharmung babono je Modiji ne ekmatra সম্ভব বা Modiji Manik Shah ji ni netritwe no agami dino o ADC rogo bahai development khaitangnai babrano mansogoi tini Bharatiya Janata Party ni banaro bo phai bo join khaiteka sungbono khabai khubai lamsogo ebong sungbono tini kogro jate sini Bharatiya Janata Party ni prottekta karyakarta bobai sung yakmili samung khlainai ebong agami dino ADC no bahai kai development khaimanai sini Tripura thinani Tripura sarano bahai kai sung tisai tubunai development khaimanai abono sini naharmung to sungbono khabai khubai lamsogo
kini ang BJP o khapuri ni phaja rasin diklali hen chongmani nege kini Tripura Motha ni bising tini samtangmani khesa ya nuguni saya bolte sung Tripura Motha ni baginai Tripura thani hininai sakre samtangai ADC o sung Tripura Motha pas khaichu phaja to phaimani bising tini nugja khatamo bagan bising khogoise member chairman chalaichibo ototho sungno kuni ringma ukarika mane kundu sama ukarika tabuk pajanto ati iragani songphajangke bongni samtam nukjak pasota akhe potiti poribaron nawo aragani 11 no bagan horu ang bongno saka oma haring pede ekjon dapat genang gangke bini 5 jona le 11 nai mano boa jagawo kri bertak sina thangle Again, Nazago, J. Eragan Samnara, Bagan Hognani, Pastor Kanani, want to know Neo Makalaya. Yarabanu del Gobro, none of Kishpasalia, Bura Patabria, Reganamburia, the Bagdiano Lantan Krakabro. Tasara, I will begin a bong no, not to the young bong yet from some Nugunai, Mahati, Jeffol Nugunia, and Malia broke by. And more of Bukanatan, and Kognajko. More as Nang Siali nogo tok bagarile Tripura rajyo no sadin khaimiya mora kam ko khnate ajko anga sa khaita hinai sakuma kai khangke khaglu thainda ko ja omorun buyang tekdong ni selang ga ajko ojotina ang tini nongno khumka
anin sinimo bisa sakra
sinimani pusrai debroma
anin lukungo mani logi khoro busuk thaketi
anaro rang sajung phayo Turdan butar thible
khoro busuk butar
phai butar
Reported by Jivan from Pishalkar, Chini Khora.